Why are you crying? Look at me. Look. Ready? Look. How you like it? Do you like it? So this is our plan. This is the tubing to go into the water. Then we have this jet ski. Then we have another jet ski over there. KJ, can you see KJ? Then we have this jet ski. और बस अभी निकलते हैं. How you doing, KJ?
Good.
You like it?
Yeah.
What are we gonna do today?
We're gonna swim.
You're gonna swim, right? And you like swim, right?
Yeah.
Look at this dude.
Stand it up.
Look at him. What happened to you? Why are you upside down? He was almost upside down. Hey, look, you okay? Huh? Just sit properly, okay? Look at me. Laugh.
We're gonna be laugh like that. Is it this place?
Oh, it said do not enter. Why would I go in there?
Is this the Saugatuck Beach place? So much people today. How can you take a picture if you're driving?
I'm just stopping here. Hello guys and welcome to my video. कैसे हैं आप लोग? I hope everybody is doing great. तो भाई आज फिर से मैं आपका वेलकम करता हूँ एक ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो में. That's okay. You can have it. Don't worry. You can go up there and I will catch you. So तो आज मिशिगन में अगेन ग्रैंड रैपिड और आज जिस लेक पे मैं आपको लेके आया हूँ इस ब्रांड न्यू वीडियो के साथ, इस लेक का नाम है गन लेक. वेस्ट मिशिगन ग्रैंड रैपिड जो सिटी है उसे 20 माइल दूरी पे ये लोकेटेड है. नाइस, काम, ब्यूटीफुल. आज वीकेंड है तो वीकेंड पे सभी मोस्टली फैमिलीज़ यहाँ पे अपने बच्चों के साथ अपनी फैमिलीज़ के साथ एंजॉय करने के लिए आए हैं. और
I think I saw a fish here somewhere.
come on guys. KJ, come on. Do you like it here?
Yeah. She reminds me of Sasha.
You ready?
I'm ready. You ready?
Yeah.
All right.
3. ready? So अभी हम हैं jet ski पे, right? And he is having so much fun. Middle of the water, right? Yes. What are you eating, KJ?
Watermelon.
Do you like watermelon? Nice. We should have put this watermelon into the ice bag, ice bucket.
Why does Coco not understand Spanish?
No, I'm good. It tastes just fine without tang,
You
without salt. It's nice and sweet.
you make a video out there?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Mommy knows Coco. Can he understand Spanish?
I like your preaching video,
Oh, you do?
but most of them I don't understand. So
I'm gonna have to start putting some caption on that so you understand.
some English.
Yes.
Go now. Go on the. Come on. Let's go. You need to go up there. Go. Let me see how fast you can go. Let me see how fast you can go up. Can you go all the way up?
Daddy.
Can you go all the way up? Look. Look. So we came here to enjoy the lake, to play in the water. And look at this dude. He just see the swing and he just want to go enjoy on the swings.
Daddy, oh, really high.
What really high? We always on the swing. Let's go enjoy in the water. You see? No. वो जो बच्चे हैं ना, जो इनको करना ना वही करेंगे ये. Do you like it? Why are you crying? Look at me. Why do you cry? Tell me. Why are you crying? You look funny when you cry. So भाई यहाँ पे लेक के ऊपर प्रोग्राम अपना काफ़ी एंजॉय किया आज, और अब बस अपनी जो जेट्स की है इसको लोड करते हैं, और इस तरह से जो है ये जो इसका ट्रेलर है तो जाके और इसके डायरेक्ट लोड कर देंगे, और उसके बाद निकलते हैं कुछ और कहीं और कुछ खाने पीने, या फिर लेट्स सी कि आगे क्या प्लान बनता है. सो इस तरह से उसके ऊपर लोड हो गई, और उसको अटैच कर देंगे पुली के साथ.
Dale para arriba.
Alright, so that's it. That's how you can load and unload. चलो आगे देखते हैं कि आगे का क्या प्लान है, कहाँ पे चलना है, डिपेंड करता है.
Why did no talking?
A veces cuando terminamos ya, a veces nos mandan traer, le llaman barcos, traer algo de regreso para tomar.
Do you like it?
You hear about Coco?
You do?
Y es cuando lo tenemos que meter así a los brazos.
How's your food, KJ? Cable? Good. Lakshmi, how was it?
Good.
Great. How you guys like it? Hey, do you like your cheeseburger? It's great.
And this one.
That's great. Ah.
Ew!
Estoy disfrutando el time off. Solamente ahorita. Pero ahorita no estuviéramos aquí. Ayer me fui al festival de Dance House.
Ew!
Me llevé a mi esposa y a mi mamá. Tributo a Manamen. Mira, here in the house.
Ooh.
¿Tú cuándo hiciste el rapping, Josué?
El rap y lo más que llegué a hacer fue en
It's in the middle of the night.
El año pasado.
69.
No, nobody's over here.
A puro regazo.
You? How much you make last year?
Yo no lo conté cuánto hice yo, sino